You say the little lady finally let you get that pool table you've always wanted, huh? So where you keeping this little treasure?
Wait till you see this. Ta-da! So, what do you think?
Oh, now I know why some people bury their treasure. I see you spared no expense on family recreation.
Yeah, I got it for next to nothing.
An appropriate dollar amount, no doubt. A little dent in the cushion, I see.
You just hit the ball on either side. Can't have perfection at this price.
Quality doesn't come cheap, huh?
Oh, it was cheap. I got it for next to nothing. I mean, compared to your old housing, what did that set you back?
Let's see. Italian slate, AccuFast cushions, solid oak rails, equipment package, choice of cloth color to match the game room drapes, throw in the delivery, professional setup with a real warranty. Let's just say I got it for next to nothing. Buffalo Billiards on Gravenstein Highway in Cotati, Highway 101 and 116 West, where we put the family in the family room.